In this video, I'll show you where are the fuse boxes of your Chevrolet Malibu from 2008 to 2012. So the first one is located under the hood. We'll see the location of the other one right after this one. So pop the hood and let's go over there. Here on the right side, you see usually the battery is there, but it has been removed in this car. You're gonna find this box and it has this clip. Usually simply by pulling on this clip and taking out the panel, the cover, it will go. But if not, don't worry, it has a second clip hidden right over there. It's a bit hard to have access to it, but by pressing on that latch, it will release the covers, you see? Just like that. Perfect. So this is the first fuse box of this car. There is also many relays, as you see. The second fuse box is located in the passenger footwell under this panel. You see, it even has a small electricity logo there. Put your finger through that gap and pull the panel. It's held by many clips, so just by pulling it, you're gonna unclip it. You see, you won't break anything. Everything is clipped. And the fuse box is located right over there. Now, to know which fuses is which, you can look on the back of this panel. Now, in this video, it's hard to see, but on your panel, check it out. It will say what each fuses, what is the purpose of each fuses. So you see wiper, pedal, airbag. You're gonna find very easily the one that you want to change or to check by doing that. This is it. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.